Ladies and gentlemen, this is banana. I am happy and honored to say that our channel had reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Let's go! And with that being said, I greatly appreciate every single one of you. Those who liked my videos, those who commented, those who shared, those who interacted with me. I greatly appreciate y'all. We created this small community of people who loves and enjoy food. And for that, I am forever thankful. I greatly appreciate you guys. Ooh, that is so good. Take a bite of that. Take a bite. You want a bite? Take a bite of that. Look at that caramelized banana. Hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark is just like the cherry on top to one of many goals to come. Oh yeah. Literally a taste of accomplishment for sure. But as always, if you love food as much as I do, like, comment, and share, and follow me. I have great recipes. I try recipes. I try new things. And the fun never stops. Let's go. And as always, guys, much peace and love. Till next time. Cheers. So good. Especially on this hot day. I think I can afford the extra calories. I'll work it off later. I'm celebrating.